In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link PlayStation Portal to PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of setting up your PlayStation Portal and how to properly connect it to your PlayStation 5. You will be able to remotely play all of the games available in your PlayStation library, and it is extremely simple to do. All that you have to do is first, turn on your PlayStation Portal. So immediately after turning on the remote player, you will be able to do the initial setup. So you can select your language and most importantly, connect to an internet connection. So set those up according to your preferences. I'm not going to go over them in this video because it is, like I said, very personal and you will have to include a password for your specific Wi-Fi connection and set it up. Once it is done, you will get to the most important parts. Before proceeding, I recommend that you go over to your PlayStation 5 console and access the settings. Inside of the settings, you will be able to find a remote play. In there, you need to make sure that remote play is enabled. This is what allows the console to connect to the PlayStation Portal. Once remote play is enabled, you are done with the setup inside of the PlayStation 5 for now. So return to your PlayStation Portal, and in there, the next step on setting it up is going to be to connect it to your account. The best and most convenient way to do this is by scanning the QR code presented on screen. So if you open the PlayStation app and you go over to the settings, one of the categories is going to be console management, where you have the option to scan a QR code. So by scanning the QR code presented on the PlayStation Portal screen, it is basically going to detect your PlayStation Network account, and consequently, it's going to be able to find the PlayStation 5 console that you have nearby. So once this is done, and if it doesn't work, keep in mind that you can also try signing in manually. But by doing this process with the QR code, you can proceed and finally choose the PlayStation 5 that you want to use. As long as you are using the same account between the PlayStation 5, the PlayStation Portal, and the app, you will be good to go to have them all connected, and your PlayStation library will be displayed on screen on the PlayStation Portal. I hope I was able to help you on how to link PlayStation Portal to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.